Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Utah unemployment. First, you must meet specific eligibility requirements. Generally, you need to be unemployed through no fault of your own and be able, available, and actively seeking work. You also need sufficient past earnings, typically from the last 18 months, to qualify for benefits. Make sure you have worked enough hours and earned enough wages to meet these thresholds before starting your application. To begin, gather all necessary information. This includes your social security number, driver's license or state ID, and complete employment history for the past 18 months. You will need employer names, addresses, phone numbers, and dates of employment. The quickest way to apply is online through the Utah Department of Workforce Services website. This digital application typically takes about 30 to 45 minutes to complete accurately. Once your initial application is approved, you must file a weekly claim to continue receiving benefits. These claims confirm your ongoing eligibility and report any income earned during that week. You are also required to actively search for work, typically completing at least 4 job contacts each week. Keep detailed records of your job search activities, as you may be asked to provide them. Always provide accurate and complete information on your application and weekly claims to prevent delays. Pay close attention to all deadlines for filing and responding to requests. If you have questions or need assistance, the Utah Department of Workforce Services offers various resources, including online FAQs and contact information for personalized help. They are there to support you through the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.